Chain, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper, stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get open. He ain't 4PF, cause he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket off promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maya G. This is my bestie Kenya.
Hi guys.
And today I'm going to be doing decorate my car with me / a little car tour. So yeah. Okay, so y'all, I bought some decor. Yeah, decor. Accessories. I'm gonna say accessories because decorations.
Decor and decorations the same thing, but decor just sound better.
Like, decor sound like a house.
Yeah, decor. Okay, so accessories. Okay.
Yeah. I got some car accessories. So I'm gonna show you everything that I bought. So first I got these. They're like little things that go in the cup holder. Right here. And then I got, this is the other thing I got. It's like it's for the gear shift, so you just strap it on there like that, and then boom. And the theme for my car is black and red, clearly because it's black and red. And then this is my steering wheel cover. Everything is off of Amazon. Nothing is from nowhere else. And then this is it right here, steering wheel cover. It's black with sparkles because everybody has the silver one with sparkles, so you know I had to be different.
I feel like silver wouldn't even go because
yeah, everything is black. Oh, okay.
Bent up out of shape because it's been bent.
It's been bent in that thing, but this is it, y'all. So these are car hooks. So boom, they're like little hooks that you go. I mean, not that you go. They go on the back of the seat, so you can put your purse or like your jacket or groceries. I don't know. I don't put groceries back there. I don't really get that many. So yeah, and it came with 4 of them. Okay, and then this is, okay, it's only 3 more after this. This is for the Toyota sign that's on the steering wheel. I'm going to put this over the top of it. You can't really get the idea what it is right now because it's in a little pack. But basically, it just goes around it and it'll look bling. Real cute. Oh. This came with my seatbelt covers. I'm not going to use this because I heard that it makes your ignition not start. So, yeah. It like mess up your ignition, so I'm not gonna use it. Okay, these are my black glitter seatbelt covers. They're velvet and they're velcro. So boom, looks like this, and you put it over there. And I got 4 of them. Most of them came in a 2-pack, you know, just for the front seat, but I got 4. So the middle one isn't gonna have one, but everything else will have one. And then this is the last thing. Yep.
The last thing.
Okay, yeah. The last thing is, I never have had one of these, like, you know, to go over your tag. But somebody tried to steal my tag, so I feel like if I had one of these, it'll make it harder for them to steal. So this is a black bling tag cover.
Yeah.
And it's one for the back and then one for the front. But I haven't had a tag for the front, so I haven't even seen people use that until I got to A&T. And like people from up north, they have the tag in the front.
Oh yes, they do.
Like they have one in the back and in the front, which is so weird to me though. Because why do you need both? Okay, so that's everything. Let's go ahead and get to the video. Alright, I'm gonna put the steering wheel cover on first. Maya had gave me one and it didn't fit my steering wheel. Like, that was my other car though.
everybody. Smoke us and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the collar to feel the sun. I broke up, see it up by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run from my problems, we stacking up wallow and guala and try get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shop, got 40 designer belts. OPF, look like the new BM up. They gon' jump, got stones in my right and left. Say you crack up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pocket, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep a spell. On the strap because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Young Scott, swelling, smoothie, and a
Ooh. Look how cute it look, y'all. Period. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all my car's name. My car's name is Valentina. She's a red girl. Clearly. You see the seeds. Valentina. That's her name. I feel like it really fits her. Her name was gonna be Penelope, but Penelope would have been Penelope. Valentina, she kind of gives like a little edgy. You know what I'm saying? Okay, this is the next thing we're gonna put on. Let me move on my keys and my charger. Okay, so it goes right here. I don't know if I'm gonna put it this way. I think that's how it goes. This way. Or maybe it go the other way.
Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the knives. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied.
Okay, so that's it for the inside. No, we gotta put the these are my little cup holder things. Cute. They have like the black bling around it. So this one goes there, and that one goes there. Oh look, they fit perfectly.
There's the bling though. There we go.
Boom. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put in my car hooks. But
You get the idea.
yeah, you get the idea. Okay. Next.
See it up by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run from my problems, we stacking up wallow and guala and try get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shop, got 40 designer belts. OPF, look like the new BM up. They gon' jump, got stones in my right and left. Say you crack up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pocket, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep a spell. On the strap because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Young Scott, swelling, smoothie, and a present. 150 flying, rich you mellow. Come on, but they damn it till it's empty. Because I'm spitting flavor to the temp. Yo, I am not a killer, but I'm tempted. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. All you eating up, I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us.